Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with a swap from Swap It Across America, and it was a one signature journal. My partner was Bema's Crafty Corner, and it came, and I've been following this before she left for her vacation. The day that she left for her vacation, I noticed it in my. Would you hang on a second? Because that's got to move. At the grandkids. Informed delivery, and it was supposed to be here Friday, and it showed up today. So let's see. Live for today, laugh often. It's purple. It's got this pretty paper with flowers on and this ribbon. So let's open it and see what it looks like inside.
Hi guys.
And it says bloom, beautiful, little journal card. And then flourish, and she's got some flowers. And then she said, blooms where you are planted. And then a tag, some flowers. Hello in the corner, bloom. Could I move that bin? Put it over there so you can put your chair down.
Put it over there later.
Just move it out of the way. Sorry. Impatient grandson. You guys want him? He's adorable and cute, but very impatient. Oh, it's made bigger. Alright. And then you turn it. It's got a little flower plot, a little journaling card. Nature gives to Nature gives to every time and season some beauties of its own. Charles Dickinson.
Did you show them my picture?
No. If we had no winter, the spring would not be so pleasant. Annie Bradshaw. Then there's a journal spot pocket and a journal card. And then Amy paper. And then another pocket, a little journal card. Spring is the time of plans and project. Leo Tulson. A little butterfly and some glitter. And then a little umbrella with some flowers. Spring's greatest joy beyond a doubt when it brings the children out. Pocket, a journal card. Whoop.
It's only me and Riley today.
Have a flowery day. Glitter and Amy paper. A little
Allie got a doctor appointment.
Bucket with some flowers and some glitter.
In my ear.
A little flower pot and shovel. And another pocket. Girl Love Beauty. I like how she did the tabs. It says grow. Over here, it's a pocket. It's got the flower pot. Look at these pretty cards. And then up here it says, that is good thing about this world. There are always sure to be more springs. L.M. Montgomery. Little watering can with some flowers. And a swing with some flowers. Always is spring and everyone is in love and flowers pick themselves. A little journaling card and a corner tuck. A pocket. A flower pot. And a tag. Have a flowery day. Pretty tags. I enjoy the spring more than the autumn. Now one does, I think, as one gets older. Virginia Woolf. People do not love one another. I really don't see what use there would be in having a spring. Victor Hugo. Oh, Victoria Hugo. And here's a belly band with a tag. Donna Zoff. Seen by the ribbon. And then another corner tuck with a journal card.
Can we have one more Girl Scout cookie?
No. You can cut all the flowers, but you can't keep spring from coming. Pablo Nodora. Flower pot, little spigot. A flower blossom for its own joy. Oscar Wilder. Thankful. And then a tag. So pretty. Thank you, Bima.
Can you show them my
Awesome swap. Hang on a second, Lakota. He's all excited, all excited. So thank you for swapping with me. Guys, I will have Swap in America linked in the description box as well as BMO's channel. So go check out both things. Right now there is a Christmas in July swap on there. You can join. And Koda wants to show you how handsome he is. Hang on. Show it. Look at that handsome boy.
It's me in soccer. Even there's a one that's me.
Yep, hang
And
on.
this is my toy.
Yep, okay, take that off. Look at this handsome young man. In his soccer. Okay. And here's the roof. Riley Roo.
It's not finding a black.
Right there. Pretty girl.
Roller.
And
You want to say something?
it's their soccer pictures. They're all excited to show me. So I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in, hanging out, checking out this video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty.
Can I say it? Can I say it? Be crafty, be kind, be funny, be
Start at the
be
beginning.
happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.